नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का। हाल ही में जो यहाँ पे एमसी सिंगला केस चल रहा है एंड उसी के बीच में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कैलकुलेशन सेट ऑफ कैलकुलेशंस आई वुड से मर्जिंग ऑफ डीए हाउ द स्मॉल बेसिक्स जो पेंशनर्स की रही हैं स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फिफ्थ बीपीएस, सिक्स बीपीएस, सेवन्थ बीपीएस, एट्थ बीपीएस, दे हैव ग्रोन टू द जो अभी 50 to 60 थाउजेंड ऑफ बेसिक पे यहाँ पे बन चुकी है। हाउ दिस हैव हैपेंड, हाउ द थिंग्स हैव चेंज, सो वी विल सी दैट हियर एग्जैक्टली। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस अपडेट एंड यहाँ पे दोस्तों चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अदर अपडेट्स के लिए। So how rupees 830 becomes 38,000? The question on how a small basic pension of 830 from 1987 reaches the figure of 38,815 in the IB Park chart is vital here. So it looks too good to be true, but the math is solid. The formula is not a secret, it is based on the RBA formula of successive mergers. So we cannot jump directly from 1987 to 2024. We must walk up the stairs, so one settlement at a time. So at each step, the formula does not does two things. That is mergers DA. So it combines the old basic plus DA into new higher basic, just like the serving employees get. So वही सेम है दोस्तों, but load of 10, so it adds a 10% increase to that new total to fix the inflation gap here. So here is a step by step journey of that rupees 830. The calculation table, uh, retired of clerical in 1987. So fifth BPS, if you see, the basic was starting was rupees 830. So applying multiplying factor by 1. So in the sixth BPS, that is 1992, the basic reaches at 1,751 rupees. That is merger at 1148 plus 10% of load. So multiplying factor was 2.11. So similarly in the seventh BPS, you can see the multiplying factor of 1.61. The basic reaches 2,819, and in the eighth BPS, multiplying factor of 1.49, that is basic reaches rupees 4,200. So similarly in the ninth BPS, that is 2007, merger at 2836 plus 10% load, multiplying factor 1.37, the basic reaches 5,754. So in the 11th BPS 2017, multiplying factor 1.57, the basic reaches 15,536, and in the 12th BPS merger at 8088 points plus 10% load, multiplying factor 1.4, the basic reaches 21,750. सो द फाइनल टोटल की जहाँ पे अगर अभी आप बात करें, सो बाय द टाइम वी रीच द 12th BPS नाउ 2022, द बेसिक पेंशन हैज़ ग्रोन फ्रॉम रुपीज़ 830 to 21,000 अप्रॉक्स. So new basic pension is 21,750. So adding the dearness allowances figure here. So as of late 23-24, calculated on the new 8088 index, the DA adds another significant chunk, that is approximately 60 to 80% depending on the exact index point used in the chart. So estimated gross total is 35,000 to 39,000. So friends, if you see the note, the factor of 28.25 mentioned is simply the cumulative result of multiplying all the factors together, that is 2.11 times 1.61 times 1.49 dot approx 28. So the key takeaway is here, the figure of rupees 38,815 is not an exaggeration. It represents 35 years of denied parity. So 35 years of denied parity को आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. The reason it looks high is that for 3 decades our pension was frozen while serving employees' salaries grew through these exact compounding process. So let us not doubt the math, so let us fight for the right to apply it. The chart essentially asks the code, give us the same growth curve you gave the serving employees. तो सर्विंग एम्प्लॉयज़ का तो बहुत ही शानदार यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर हो रहा है. So IBA itself uses this exact compounding math for serving employees every 5 years. The only thing the pensioners are asking for is to be allowed on the same staircase. The bottom line. So we shall not get lost in arithmetic anxiety. The IBA want us to argue over decimals, so we lose sight of the regulation 35.1 mandate. The updated amount in this chart is a destination. The court's job is to give us the vehicle, that is the legal right to get there. So let us keep a focus on the legal mandate. Once the right to update is restored, the math will have to follow up the law, not the other way around here. So, friends, coming to the Excel part, I think that is most important here. You can see here existing basic pension. So here I would, if you please comment your email IDs or other sources, I will try to share directly this Excel file with you, in which you can clearly and get an idea effect of 8088 point mergers with the basic without load, and you can see uh, so in this graph you can clearly see the difference due to the 8088 point merger basic pension for the 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th 10th 11th. So starting from 5th you can see the difference due to 8088 point merger, rupees 530, then 1000, then 1384 for the 7th, for the 8th 1585, then 2575, then 1697. So clearly you can see here the difference due to the 808 point merger. So here the load, I think it is taken uh, without load. So expected pensions if 808 point merged without load. So अगर कोई भी लोड यहाँ पे नहीं लिया जाता, so these are the figures here. दोस्तों quite important Excel point here, and quite important things how the pension of small basic rises from rupees simply 800 to 38,000. You can see here. So this is what we are expecting from the court. That's why so many number of court cases are going on right now. uh, चाहे वो हॉनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया हो, चाहे वो हॉनरेबल बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट हो, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट हो, केरला हाई कोर्ट हो, आई थिंक all the high courts from the Punjab and Sindh Bank initially we got rejection. So let's see, we are quite optimistic. So with this, that's all for the session. So please make sure to share this and subscribe to the channel, friends, for the upcomings on the pension and banking. Thank you.